Hi, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to use these palm makers. I got these from Amazon. It's a 4-pack of clover. They were 4 different sizes. I'll put the link in the description box below. I have no affiliation with them. I just purchased them on my own. But I'll put a little picture up here too of what they look like with the 4-pack, and I'm just going to use this yellow size today. So they may come undone like this, and you just want to put that together, and then you will pull these pieces out like this so that they're all out and even as best as you can. These make really clean palms. I do have a video for how to make a palm with your hand. I will link that in the description box below as well if you don't have these palm makers. But these make for really clean palms. Like I make dog hats, and sometimes I like a really good palm for that. I'll put a picture here of one where I use the strings as well. Like at the end of the strings, I put palms, and I wanted them to be really perfect. Excuse me. So I used this for that. So what you're going to do is just grab your yarn and choose a side, and we're going to go around both of these two pieces. So you're just going to keep wrapping your yarn around. Make sure you want to get onto the sides here. You're just going to keep wrapping your yarn around here. I like usually start from one side and go to the other. And then go back and forth. So let me wrap this up and then I'll be right back. You want to get a good amount on there and try to evenly distribute it from one side to the other. And then when you're done, you're going to, and make sure that you don't get any on the undersides or stuck anywhere. When you're done with one side, you're just going to put it through this middle piece here and pull this down. Okay, so it looks like this. And then you're going to start wrapping on this side. So just start wrapping around this side and do the same thing. I try to really get on the inside there. And then just wrap back and forth all the way around. You can turn it and do it this way if that's easier for you. I'll see you back in a minute. Oops, sorry. Okay, so once you're done with both sides, then you put it through this side, or through the little, whatever, plastic pieces there. Oops, mine is sliding off down there. Okay, and then pull that side closed. Pull that side closed there, and you can cut that yarn. And you're going to want to cut a piece of yarn, I don't know, maybe like a foot long, something like that. You'll need that to tie it up. All right, so from here, we are going to just cut across the tops of both sides. So you can put your scissors in where there's the indent right there. Go ahead and put your scissors in there. Make sure that you kind of hold it down because this will want to go up. And then just, yeah, like that. Just cut across the top. There's kind of an indent under there you can see where your scissors will fit. And you may have to use bigger scissors. This is what I had on hand. So, okay, so make sure you cut them all. And then go and do the same on the other side. Cut them all. All right, once they are cut all the way through, you're going to take this piece and put it through either side. It doesn't matter. And it's going to come out the other side and you're going to make a knot. Okay, make sure that it's really tight in there so that you can't see it. And make a knot. And pull that tight. And then you can either make another knot right there. I like to go back around to the other side just to make it a little bit tighter. And make another knot there. And you could do 2 if you want. I'm always afraid it's going to come undone, even though I've never had that problem, but, and then pull that real tight. Okay, and then from there you just open these back up. So open both sides and then pull apart. And there you have your perfect little ball. You might have to cut a piece or two just from like our starting pieces. But then you have like a nice little palm that comes out pretty perfect. So that's how you make these. If you'd like to like this video, subscribe, comment, I'd be so happy. I have a lot of pattern tutorials on here as well, so please take a look around my channel. I'd love to have you here, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.